Is Supply Center USA too good to be true, or just another name in the crowded world of online health stores that actually delivers what it promises? With the internet full of flashy supplement sites and sketchy claims, it's natural to wonder if this retailer is legit. Supply Center USA offers a huge variety of health and wellness products, everything from amino acids and antioxidants to bone health supplements, personal care items, and even some niche wellness formulas you won't easily find elsewhere. At first glance, their website feels simple, maybe even a little outdated, but that doesn't necessarily mean the service is lacking. One thing that stands out is their surprisingly solid customer support emails get answered. Questions don't vanish into thin air, and order tracking actually works. That's a big green flag in an industry where communication often falls apart after checkout. Their prices are another point worth noting, lower than many major sites, which is both appealing and a bit suspicious if you're a cautious buyer. But after digging deeper, it turns out the savings come from the no-frills approach, no flashy branding, minimal packaging, and a focus on getting the basics right. Most users report timely deliveries and products that match the descriptions, which helps ease the initial doubts. However, the lack of detailed company info, limited social proof, and absence of big brand trust indicators may still leave some people feeling uncertain. It's not the kind of online store that overwhelms you with trust at first sight, but it also doesn't set off major red flags. If you're looking for a budget-friendly source for wellness products and you value function over form, Supply Center USA might work for you. Just know it's a bit of a gamble, one that seems to pay off for many but still leaves enough gaps to keep you on alert.